General-purpose inverter drives are being used throughout industry and domestic applications to provide accurate speed variation, smooth power-up, increased torque and energy saving. The drive featured in this video is one of the world's most popular small inverters from Lenze. This is a guide, not an exhaustive manual, and should be used with common sense and the relevant manual, training and experience. It also shows how to program the drive for operation in basic voltage to frequency mode. Wiring the SMV drive is as easy as wiring a plug. It will help to have the motor nameplate information to hand. The basic voltage, current and motor rated frequency in hertz is enough to get started. Always check that the power supply and motor specification match the drive. To operate, the drive must be connected to the power supply, the motor and earthed. It must be mounted in a suitable cabinet or covered control panel to protect it from dust and moisture. In many EU situations, an AC drive must also be fitted with an external EMC filter to protect the surrounding area from EMC interference. Make sure that the power to the drive or panel is off. Mount the drive securely to the cabinet or bulkhead. Use all 4 screws for a secure mount. Check the motor nameplate and make sure the voltage and frequency in hertz correspond to the drive you've selected. This is a 3-phase power supply with a suitably rated safety breaker or fuse included in the circuit and a suitably rated on-off or isolation switch. Use suitably rated cable to connect the power supply to the drive. Use EMC shielded cable to connect the drive to the motor. Maintain the shielding right through to the drive enclosure. Ensure the cable is earthed to the bulkhead. A metallic band clip such as this is ideal. Connect the power leads to the SMV terminal. Connect the motor power leads to the SMV. With the drive firmly attached and correctly wired, it's time to power up and confirm the drive parameter settings in readiness for commissioning. Now go to the appropriate parameter setup video or the correct video for any additional control hardware installation required for your application.